In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import bookmarks and settings on Brave browser. By the end, you'll have your bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history moved into Brave, either directly from another browser or from a bookmarks HTML file, so you can continue browsing without losing your data. First, open Brave browser. You should see the main window with the address bar and your standard start page. Next, click Menu, the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From here, go to Bookmarks, then click Import Bookmarks and Settings. This opens the Import window. Now, select the browser you want to import from, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. This tells Brave where to pull your data from. Check the items you want to bring over. You can include bookmarks, passwords, history, and other available data. If you're unsure, it's safe to select them all. Brave will only import what exists in that browser. This doesn't delete anything from the original browser. Once that's done, click Import. Brave will process the import. This usually takes just a moment. When it finishes, you'll see a confirmation. Your bookmarks are now added to Brave, and any selected passwords and history are available for use. You can continue using Brave with your imported data in place. If you prefer to import from a file, or you already have a bookmarks backup, use this method. Click Menu, the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Go to Bookmarks, then select Bookmark Manager. The Bookmark Manager opens in a new tab, showing your existing folders and any imported items. In the top right of the Bookmark Manager, click the three-dot menu. A small drop-down will appear with management options. Select Import Bookmarks. A file picker will open. Choose your .html file and click Open. This file is the standard bookmarks export from most browsers. Brave will add the bookmarks from that file into your bookmarks list. The import completes immediately for smaller files and may take a few seconds for larger sets. At this point, your data is in Brave. If you use the first method, your selected items, bookmarks, passwords, and history are now available. If you use the File method, your bookmarks from the HTML file are added to your Bookmark Manager. You can view them on the Bookmarks bar or inside the Bookmark Manager without affecting your original files or other browsers. Everything you imported is ready to use right away. That's it. You've successfully imported bookmarks and settings on Brave browser, and your browsing setup is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.